It is pouring rain in Guyana. Again. I went to the dog pen and she didn't even budge. She was sound asleep. Yep. Got a lot of construction going on, so there you go. Completely redo the bottom. There you go, Eon, sheltering from the rain. But yeah. Hi, Eon. She's fine. Well, my plants. Oh, they're enjoying this weather. But it's pouring. I have an umbrella over me. Morning. You didn't come back yet. You didn't come back yet. Okay.